There is so much BS out there when it comes to how to actually make money from a beats or music YouTube channel. The sad part is that 95% of the time, channels are rejected from the partner program after reaching 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. I guarantee that if you stay until the end of the video, you will hear a new perspective on making money on YouTube that you may have never tried before. I can tell you for a fact that it's monetizable and it will get you to where you want to get with your channel. So in today's video, I will be creating a Lo-Fi Beats channel. This channel here is the best to ever do it with 13.5 million subscribers and averaging 30+ million views a month. According to Social Blade, they are making $130,000 a month, but in my experience, they are making a lot more. Let me tell you why. First, this channel uploads very long videos, which skyrockets their RPM. The second thing is that people usually play these videos in the background while studying or working for hours, which means they have a high average view duration. But the best thing is that people forget about the video running, and they don't skip the ads, so the ads play until the end, which makes them a lot more money. I'm going to get straight to the main point and show you how to generate the music. We are going to use an AI tool called Mubert. It's an AI tool that will help you generate the beats. First things first, go to mubert.com. After that, go to Generate Track. Here, you can either use a prompt to generate text or utilize some available options. Let's start by trying the options. First, select the genre. You have a wide variety to choose from, ranging from ambient to electronica to lo-fi. I'm going with lo-fi, then choose a mood. I'll select calm. In activities, I'll go with chill. After that, adjust the video duration. Let's set it to 3 minutes, for example. Click on Generate Track, and Mubert will automatically generate the beat for you using the power of AI. This may take some time, so I'm going to fast forward. Now that it's done, let's listen to a 15-second snippet of it. Then, click on the download icon. You should create an account to be able to download. So, click on Create Free Account. You can either use your Google account, Facebook, or email. After your account is ready, click on the download icon again. Then, click on My Downloads and wait for the beat to be ready. Finally, click on Download and proceed to paste your YouTube link to avoid any copyright issues. Then click on Continue. Make sure to include their link in the description whenever you upload their music to avoid any trouble. After that, click on Agree and Download, and the music will be automatically downloaded to your device. Now, let's try the text-to-music feature. Go back to the main page, then click on Generate Track. Use any prompt you want. I'll simply type lo-fi. Next, change the video duration and click on Generate Track. Now that we have generated the music, we need to generate the images that we are going to use in the video. But make sure to generate a lot of beats to make very long videos. First, go to the Leonardo website. Then, choose the Dreamshaper V7 option. Next, click on Generate with this model. Type a prompt to generate your image for free, such as a sad girl with headphones or something similar. After that, Be sure to change the aspect ratio to 16:9 to create it in long-form video format. Then, click on Generate. If you're not satisfied with the picture, use the prompt generator feature to potentially get better results. Type a brief description of what you want, then click on Ideate. You can also increase the number of images to 4. After that, choose one of the prompts or click on Edit to make changes. And then click on Generate when you've chosen the right one. Finally, download the picture you like to your device. Next, go to CapCut. After importing the sound and the image, drag and drop them into the sequence. Make sure to extend the video's duration to over an hour by copying and pasting the beat repeatedly. And continue doing so until the video reaches a length of 1 hour. Additionally, ensure that you resize the picture to fit the entire video. Next, navigate to Filters and scroll down until you find the clear effect. Resize it to cover the entire video. Then, go to Effects and scroll down to the Nature Effects. Choose some effects you like and resize them to fit the entire video. When the video is complete, proceed to export it to your desktop. Now that the video is ready, let's create a simple thumbnail. Go to canva.com, then click on Create Design. Choose YouTube Thumbnail. Then, drag and drop the picture you generated earlier from your device into Canva and resize it. Now, let's add text. Click on Add Heading in the text section, then type your channel name. Afterward, find a handwriting font as it complements this type of thumbnail. You can choose any random one you like. Place the channel name in the top left corner and duplicate it to add a title. For the title, you can write something like Chill Work Music and Beats. Once your thumbnail is ready, click on Share, then Download, and change the size to 1920 by 1080. Click on Download to save your thumbnail. That's it for this video. Click that subscribe button for more, and make sure to check my email list down below too.